Have you ever asked yourself the question, what does it truly mean to live well? For myself, through years of working in communities, I have come to realize that the answer to obtaining good health is not found in wealth or status, but in something far more fundamental. A seed planted in soil, hands working together, food eaten from your own garden grown with care, and a life rooted in faith and fellowship. Hi, I'm Chaplain Dr. Kevin J.T. Santucci. For many years, I have been committed to promoting gardening, holistic health, and harmonious living with God, one another, and the community through garden ministry and the Grow, Eat, and Save gardening program. These ministries aim to equip people with fundamental life skills that foster independence, well-being, and active community engagement. My goal is to help learners understand the basics of gardening, principles of total health, practical strategies for saving money, the role of spirituality, and the importance of building strong, supportive communities. In many educational settings, students are prepared academically, but often lack practical tools for sustainable living. Our program bridged that gap by providing accessible, researched, informed guidance and tried and true gardening tips from my own experience, connecting knowledge with daily practice. Gardening is more than a skill. It is a pathway to understanding food systems, environmental stewardship, and self-reliance. Total health is addressed holistically, integrating physical, mental, and emotional wellness. Financial awareness is introduced as a foundation for sustainability and long-term security. And community building is emphasized as an essential element of collective reliance and shared growth. Today, I invite you to join me in experiencing the depth of growing vegetables and living a life acceptable unto God and working with humanity in a better, more powerful, sustainable way. May God bless you as you continue your journey. And if you need further help within your journey, you can contact us. Do have a great day.